talk about LinkedIn. I started my LinkedIn journey over a year ago and it's been super amazing. When you're getting started, one of the things you should understand is that your LinkedIn journey might take time. Now, there's some people that started LinkedIn a few years ago and then now they've already gone viral. They have tons of followers and also tons of messages from potential clients and people contacting them concerning one thing or the other, maybe concerning their skill or their area of expertise and all. LinkedIn, one of the things you should understand is that it takes time actually for you to build traction on it. But the beautiful part is that you can grow on LinkedIn organically. As long as you're consistent, you're going to grow on LinkedIn. I noticed a trend recently of people posting just anything on LinkedIn. The truth is, LinkedIn is in Instagram and Instagram is in LinkedIn. So you posting your personal pictures and personal stuff on LinkedIn is good. But if you really want to go professional, because the platform is a professional platform, I think there are over 875 million users on LinkedIn as at 2022. We're currently in 2023, shows that LinkedIn is just going to keep growing. You can post your personal pictures, personal stuff and all, but also ensure that you are professional about it. Don't just post anything you feel like. Ensure you post things that are related to the areas in which you want people to know you. Yes, very important. Then also don't bother about following the trend. Just be yourself. Get a niche. Very important. You get a niche. Now you get a niche that you stick to. Post content on that particular niche. Now you ensure you post often. Post as much as possible. When I got started, I posted twice a day. I think I posted twice a day or even more because I was trying to look for the best time to post. So I posted twice a day. I posted 4 a.m. in the morning because I felt once I post around that point, most people in where I'm from, I'm currently in West Africa. So the reason why I started posting very early in the morning was so that when people wake up, they wake up to see my post. Then I also posted in the evenings around 4 because at that point, majority of people are leaving their offices. And we all know many people are not happy about their jobs. So they are definitely in search for better opportunities. So that's why I chose the resume interview, job search hacks, LinkedIn hacks, and so on. That's what most people are looking for because most people don't like their job. So they're looking for new opportunities. So that's why I chose that particular niche to serve people with the right information that will help them as they transition from one career to another, or from one job to another or something else. Lastly, on this video, ensure you maximize your newsletter feature on LinkedIn. Now, when I started, it was very easy to start a newsletter. Once you've hit, I think, over 100 followers, I can't remember, but it was very easy. There was no requirement. But I think now you need over 1,000 followers before you can launch a newsletter. I made a video on how you can get 1,000 followers on LinkedIn. So you can check my channel and you're going to see that. With that said, the most important thing is I take action today. So I'll see you guys in the next video.